So let's maybe, I'm sure you know a little bit more now about criminal justice, if I can say that.
Yeah.
Criminal
Absolutely.
justice. What is it? What does it entail? A little bit about that.
Yeah, so most people probably be able to recognize the criminal legal system based off of Law and Order or some of the different FBI or legal-based shows that they may have seen online or on TV.
Yeah.
But what it comes down to is criminal law is doing trials. So specifically, if I was to do this in Sacramento County, so I got to intern a little bit as well just recently this past summer at the Sacramento DA's office. So those are criminal prosecutors, and what that looks like is someone in Sacramento does a crime, and so the Sacramento County DAs, the prosecutors, take that particular crime, they press some charges based on what the crime was, and then interns like myself would see what that looked like. We would figure out what the facts were, type that up, and then send that over to the attorneys who would, and then give them also a recommendation of what kinds of charges we thought were appropriate. They would, edit that based on their experience.
Right.
Usually a lot of edits were made for everybody, but it was that's kind of what that looks like at the beginning stages. And then you show up to court, the defendant shows up, and they decide whether or not they're going to take the basically the deal that the DAs are offering them, or if they're going to fight it, right? So in which case, if they decide to fight it, they're going to get a public defender, or if they want to hire an attorney and not get one for free, then they'll hire a private defender, and then they'll go from there to preliminary trials where basically the judge decides whether or not this should go to trial. And then from preliminary trial, or prelims as they call it, it can go to a full-on trial. So that's what the criminal legal system looks like. It's kind of like what you would imagine, right? Like going to court, and then in my case, prosecuting criminals for whatever crimes they've committed, and based on whatever county I'll be working in.